How y'all doing tonight?
Hey, welcome.
James.
Hey, listen, I got a question for you guys. In 1993, I was arrested for DUI and by Fultondale Police, and that taught me a lesson. And I've had a clean, spotless driving record ever since. But what I wanted to ask you guys is two questions. I drive for Uber, and I pick up people and carry them home that have obviously been drinking too much. And I have heard people telling me that have gotten DUIs here lately that the courts are sending, especially the little small courts like Mountain Brook, Gardendale, Trussville, places like that, sending them to not only to DUI school, but also to task where they have to go and take periodic drug tests and things like that when their color's called, just like if they had been arrested for possession of marijuana or narcotics. Now, how did they get away with doing that? That's one of the questions that I wanted to ask you. And another question, I've heard people even telling me that even with charges as like public intoxication being sent to task or some of the drug courts. Now, how does this happen when they were arrested for an alcohol offense and not a drug offense?
Good question.
Great question, and to answer your question, yes, to all of that. We have programs throughout Alabama. You do a court referral program. Part of the court referral program is that you're on color code. You would call a number in the morning and you would go test if your color came up. You can be on that up to 1 year. It tests for alcohol and it tests for drugs. So you're on an alcohol and drug-free diet, even if you're charged with just one, it encompasses all. And that's part of the program to get, you often see that with diversion programs as well, programs that are like deferred prosecutions where charges are going to be dropped, there's conditions. But even if you're not getting a case dropped, even if you just pled guilty, there is a court referral program ordered through the Alabama laws that make you have to do that program.
So they're treating alcohol
Yes,
just like drugs?
they are, that's correct.
As far
That
as
is correct.
task goes. Wow.
And it's part of the task program, correct.
Wow.